Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache for your AOL Mail account. So let's get started right away. In order to clear your cache for AOL Mail, you will simply need to clear the cache for your web browser. So open up your web browser first, and then from the top right corner, click on the three dots and then click on Settings. This will now take you into your browser settings page. From this page, just click on Privacy, Search and Services. Within this option, you will find the Clear Browsing Data section. Click on it, choose what to clear, and now you will be able to find the cookies as well as the cache option. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files, and within the time range, click on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred time range. If you want all of your cache to be cleared, you can click on All Time, and then click on the Clear Now option. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to clear your cache, and once you provide your permission, your cache will be cleared right away within your web browser, which also includes your AOL Mail. If you don't find this option to clear your cache from this method, you can simply search for the cache option using the search box of your particular web browser. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your cache on AOL Mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.